neural isolates the bicep, but also is aided by the brachialis and the brachyradialis. The back muscles help stabilize the torso, and the forearm muscles help stabilize the wrist and hand joint.
When you curl the weight up, concentric contraction occurs where the muscle fibers shorten, pulling the elbow joint and lifting your forearm. When you lower the weight, the fibers lengthen during what is known as the eccentric phase to control the descent of the weight.
Through the endocrine system, hormones such as human growth hormone and testosterone play a large role in the muscle hypertrophy and strength gain resulting from resistance exercise. While increasing in testosterone levels are attributed to hypertrophy and strength gained in men, it is still unclear how women are able to respond similarly to resistance exercise. Hormones released can stimulate both by external and internal stresses to the body. Adapting to acute exercise can cause increase in secretion of many hormones in the body.
Although the cardiovascular system delivers oxygen to the cells and removes carbon dioxide, the respiratory system allows for gas exchange with the outside environment. An accumulation of carbon dioxide in the blood will trigger the respiratory centers of the brain to increase the rate of respiration to rid the body of excess CO2. This action acts to maintain blood homeostasis by decreasing the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the blood and thus the acidity of the blood. The cardiovascular system also plays a role in the bicep curl. Within the first few seconds of exercise, there's a tremendous amount of increased demands placed on the body. And in order to maintain homeostasis, these demands must be matched by significant alterations in the cardiovascular system. To prolong exercise, contracting muscles require an efficient delivery system as they require vast amounts of nutrients and oxygen while producing waste and heat that need to be discarded. When one begins to exercise, the nervous system and endocrine system respond by influencing the heart's beating frequency and force. In order to exercise, heart rate will rise in a predictable manner, and the speed of the heart rate will increase in proportion to the increased workload. The nervous system also plays a role in the bicep curl. Communication in the nervous system is a combination of both electrical and chemical activity. The brain sends a descending signal down your spinal cord to the motor neuron that exits to your biceps. In this case, we're talking about the cervical vertebrae C5 and C6. The motor neuron exits your spinal cord at C5 and C6 and then merges into your biceps. Where the motor neuron meets your biceps is known as a motor end plate. This is a space between the motor neuron and your muscles.